Welcome to my normal life question mark. Hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you're at. On this channel, I typically do reviews of stuff that I use around the house. You know, everything from riding lawnmowers to, you know, my Ninja Foodie, the list goes on. Today, I'm going to be reviewing a product that I see a lot of on the old Amazon pages. And they make a whole range of stuff. I figure they put their name, they slap their names on different things they see in China. Hey, we're going to sell that. We're going to sell that. We're going to sell that. This is a small table. It's about 35 inches high approximately, about 24 by 24 on the top, and it's a stainless steel table. I'm going to be using it to place my small, I think it's a 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator freezer on it and put it in the garage, and it's going to stand there, and I'm going to put some stuff below and call it good. My wife has plans for it. She wants to use it for her sewing area, or knitting area, her crafts area, and maybe that'll eventually go there once we move, if we decide to move, which we're planning to move in about 2 years. So let me show you the box again. This is heavy. Let me see if I can lift it up. At least lift it up a little bit. Let me lift it up again. Let me get it from the back. Here it is. Vevor, whatever the hell it's called. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I'll show you the parts, and then I'll show you it built up. I'm not going to show you the process of putting it together. It's like most Metro shelving products, similar to that, same process to produce and construct this. So let's do an unboxing first. Wow, I gotta turn on this side too. And this is what's in the box. Sure. Let me move this back. It has these nice little corners to hold everything in position. Okay, let me make sure I can open this to get at least an idea. Let me see if I can lift this up without killing myself. At least at an angle. Ooh. There's the box. There's the box. Again, Vevor. Sells a lot of stuff on the old Amazon. They make a lot of tables. And look what I found way over here hidden. A screw. Okay. It's important to find all the screws. So first of all, let me open this part up. Oops. Stuff is flying out. So I got a handful of screws. And these that, you know, these tiny ones, I got those. And an Allen key, the ubiquitous Allen key. Let me put that right about there. Let me see what's in this box. Huh. Guess I got to open this one too. Let me see, which way do I open it up? Let's try this way. Got the feet, los feet. This, whatever this is. Another foot. The rolling feet, which are not too bad. Decent quality. Very nice rolling feet. Looks like ball bearings in there. And then we got the various parts, the poles that come together, different sizes. Let me see what this one is. Here. And then cover it in this plastic to protect the old stainless steel is this right here. So this is apparently 24 by 24. Here's the back side. And there's another bunch of stuff under here. I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to show you it after I construct it. It should take about, for this old guy, maybe a half hour? Hour? I'll tell you once I have it constructed. Let's get started. There's the hex key. 4 wheels, 4, if you decide not to use the wheels, the ends of the table, etc., etc. Assembling the unit was pretty straightforward. I just place this right there in that little spot. This weld here is pretty pathetic, and this one is not even called a weld. They attempted to weld those, or maybe they used super glue. I don't know what the hell they did, but it wasn't very nice. Then you use one of these screws, and you stick it in here, and you get it started. And then you tighten it up. Pretty straightforward. And you're done. Voila! So now I have these M8 tightening bolts. And one side goes in, this side stays out, the side that, that connects to the contrivance. Of course, you want to make sure you don't strip anything. And you decide what sort of height do you want. I want it right about there. And we're set. Do that with all 4 areas. Now you have your table. I measured all of them so they be all about 4 inches. I think that's pretty close. Close enough for government work. What do you think? At a certain point, my fingers are too skinny. I mean, too fat. So let me tie this up, this tool. And of course, this tool is very thin, so works out pretty good. But even the tool can be a little too fat at a certain point. It says, hey, you can't go any further. So that's that. I mean, to a point where I can't take out the tool. Let me see how far I can go. I can't go that far, right about there, and that's it. We're all done. Very nice. So what do you think? Thanks for watching my channel, My Normal Life ? Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a relatively simple project. If I can do it, you can do it too. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. Again, Vevor, I don't know what they call themselves. It has a lot of products on the old Amazon, and I bought this with my own cash. It cost me under $100 for this table. Seems pretty solid, very solid. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And please leave your kind and friendly comments below. Gracias. Muchas gracias a todos ustedes. And ring the bell for future notifications. I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.